Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see how to prepare a khandvi dish. Khandvi is a simple, healthy Gujarati snack which can be prepared with gram flour and buttermilk. So this is slightly a tricky recipe because it has to be spread at the right consistency and before it cools down. So once you know the right consistency and do the test and spread it on a slab or on a plate, it will be a very easy and simple dish. So first time when you're preparing, I would always suggest you to prepare it in a very small quantity before you start preparing a large quantities. So before we go into the procedure as to how to make the khandvi preparation, if you're watching my video for the first time, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes and notifications. So for making the khandvi preparation, first I'm taking 1 cup of fresh curds. For 1 cup of curd, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to beat it nicely. So in the same cup where we have taken the curd, we'll be taking 1 cup of besan as well. Again, I'm going to whisk it nicely. If you don't have this whisk or the beater, you can actually add the entire mixture in the mixie and grind it once. Now you can see the smooth mixture without any lumps. So to this we are going to add some salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of hing or the asafoetida. So again mix it up nicely. And we are also going to add the green chilli and the ginger mixture. For this preparation I have taken 4 green chillis and a small piece of ginger. Now I am adding the green chilli and the ginger mixture as well. So mix it up nicely. We are going to strain this using a strainer. All the sediments gets accumulated. Now we have the smooth mixture. So before we start heating this mixture, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grease up the thali. This is the back side of the thali which I've taken. I'm going to grease it with the oil and I'm going to keep it ready. You can either use the back side of the thali or the kitchen platform. You can just grease it with some oil and keep things ready before we start the procedure. So I'm just going to heat up the pan. I'm going to add this besan mixture. So you're going to heat this mixture on a medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now you can see that the mixture is getting thickened. So it's been about 8 minutes. I have just greased a plate with oil. So what you can do is you can just take a small portion of this and spread it like this into a very thin strip like this. And just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly lift it up with a knife and see whether it is rolling. So you can see that it is coming to the rolling consistency. So if you slightly roll it, it gets rolled. If it is not getting rolled properly, what you can do is again you need to keep it for about 2 to 3 minutes in the pan. So that is a trick. Today it is taken 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame and 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Now I'm just going to quickly spread the mixture on the greased thali. I'm just going to add the mixture and you need to spread it as thin as possible. So grease the spatula with a little bit of oil. Do it as fast as possible before it gets cold, otherwise you will not be able to roll into thin strips. Now after spreading in the thali, I'm just going to cut it into 1-inch strips like this, horizontally as well as vertically. You can cut it. So after it cools, you will be able to slightly lift it by using a knife and nicely roll it like this. You just use the support of the knife just to roll it. You can see. So like this you can roll it nicely. Once it cools, you will be easily able to roll it like this. See, you can do it faster as well. Now we have the prepared khandvi. What we're going to do is we're going to season this with mustard seeds, til and grated coconut and green chilies. So I'm just going to add a teaspoon of oil for the seasoning. So once the oil gets heated up, I'm just adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Also adding some til. Today I just have only black til, so I'm adding the black til, but usually they add white til so that it's more colorful. And I'm also going to add some slit green chilies and some curry leaves and also grated coconut, about a tablespoon. Give it a mix So our very tasty Gujarati dish Kandvi is prepared.